What to do if the microwave does not work? As you can see, pressing any button on the microwave does not do anything. This makes me think that the problem may be related to the power supply. Let's proceed with the disassembly of the microwave to go and look for the problem. I shift my attention to the electrical part of the microwave, in particular this board here. This is because I noticed a slightly burned part. Let's remove the burned fuse and replace it with a new one. Let's insert the new fuse into the appropriate slot. Well, now before closing the microwave, let's try to connect it to the power to see if it works. Excellent. In this case the fuse has done its job by saving the electrical part of the microwave.